All right, y'all, this is an emergency late night fire time Bitcoin update because the Bitcoin chart right now is printing the most insane signal as we are coming up to the most important level we have here before blasting to a new all-time high. So make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click that bell for notifications because we are bringing you the juiciest Bitcoin updates here on YouTube. And as you can see, we're up right now over $25,000 in profits on these juicy Bitcoin long trades. And as I'm looking at the chart right now, I'm seeing something that is absolutely blowing my mind. We have not seen this in a very long time. Now, guys, it's so important that you subscribe to the channel because I was one of the few talking about this bullish move that we were going to get last Monday when I made this video talking about this big push we were going to get to the upside. And then I was publicly entering long trades telling you guys I was looking for a move to the upside. Now, right now, Bitcoin is coming up to a very, very key level. If we reclaim this level, guys, we're going to see a new high. I'm pretty confident. So the key level we are at right now is this major $66,000 to $67,000 level. This is the Fibonacci golden pocket retest, confluence with the high volume node of this massive sideways range that we've been trading since February 28th. Now, what does this 618 Fibonacci level mean? Well, the 618 level, aka 6 Juanita, my high school crush, the girl I loved with all my heart, but she broke my heart because I was in something called the friend zone without realizing it. And when I asked her out on a date, she gave me the hand, she gave me the face, she rejected your boy Jay Casper all the way down with the purple candles flowing out of my heart. Now the question is, are we going to get a rejection this time? Now that, well, we're asking her out on a date again. After all, it's been many years since high school. I've been working on myself. I've become a successful YouTuber nowadays anyway. Maybe she'll like me, right? Well, here's the thing. There is a good chance 6 Juanita will, in fact, accept us on a date this time. And I want to take a look at the weekly time frame because right now we are currently printing a green dot on the weekly market cipher B as the money flow is getting higher. We have not printed a green dot below the zero line on market cipher B since September 2023. Now, if you guys remember what happened after September 2023, it gave us a massive, absolutely crazy, about a 200% move to the upside. The time we had a green dot on the weekly market cipher B below the zero line before that was the bottom back in 2022, which began the massive bull run. Now, when we go to the daily time frame, we know, and we've been talking about, the thing that's been getting me very bullish at these lows, the thing that's been making me look for higher prices, this uneven butt cheek pattern that we have right here on market cipher B on the daily time frame, where we have the juicy left butt cheek followed by that skinny right butt cheek. We go ahead and superimpose the cheeks on the chart. You got the cheek on the chart, superimposition, bam, the resemblance is striking, giving us a bullish divergence with a big move to the upside. Now, because we have these high time frame macro bullish signals, I truly believe that we are eventually going to reclaim this level. Now, let's talk about how I plan to trade this stuff, because you see I've got my trades open here and I am still looking for higher prices. But if we're going to get a rejection, it is going to happen from this level, from this box I've marked out on the chart. What does this mean? Well, for me, because the weekly time frame is so bullish, because the daily time frame is so bullish, I'm going to be looking out for a buy the dip opportunity here, because I do believe that this area right here, these are just short trades that are begging to get stopped out. This is short liquidity begging to get stopped out here. We know that we have stop losses above this high, and we know that we have stop losses above this high, which means once we come above this level, it's going to be a fast, painful move for the Bitcoin bears. But let's say we get a little bit of a back test right here, or a little bit of a rejection here. Let's say that 618 does reject us. Well, then what? Well, then what we can do is we can take a fib from the low to this high where we reject, and we can see that, not only are we going to get rejected by 6 Juanita, but because we're in the friend zone, she'll actually be there to offer us support after we get our heart broken. She will be there as a friend to say, Jason, don't worry, there's still a girl for you somewhere out there. And so if we start to get a little pullback here, we see that the local 6 Juanita is coming in right at the fair value zone low of this range, where we also have a high volume node from this area and a nice support resistance flip. So we could very easily see something like this play out. And also this would give us something like an inverted head and shoulders pattern locally right here with a change of market structure. And if we take the target of this potential hypothetical head and shoulders and we go ahead and target the breakout of the neckline, it's going to take us to around $80,000. So I'm pretty excited right now because we are flipping resistances into support. The high time frames are looking very, very, very bullish. And as we come up to this important area of resistance, we do need to be aware of a pullback from this area, but we also have to be aware that because we've changed market structure from bearish to bullish right now on the daily time frame, and because the weekly is printing a green dot here, and of course we still have 4 days left before the weekly confirms, but wow, what a nice looking move we've had so far. I am going to be looking to long again in the event of a pullback, and I will then be looking for a new high. This right here is the line in the sand, guys. If we can close the daily candle above this green box, then I am very confident that we will get gravitated back up to the highs of this range. And what happens up here, guys, of course, we'll have to cross that bridge when we get there. I'm not shooting for anything massive. I'm shooting for the top of this range right now, maybe a little bit higher. But once we get up here, if we can hold above this level, then we actually could see a breakout and see Bitcoin hit some of those higher targets like the $80,000 level, or potentially even higher. And by the way, guys, right now I am trading on an exchange called MEXC, which is the best deal on fees in the world. MEXC, 0% limit order fees, 0.01% market order fees. It can make you scalp on low time frames and still be very, very profitable. Plus, they have 1,500 altcoins that you can trade on spot with 0 fees. In fact, you can go in and out of Bitcoin into Tether here on spot for 0 fees. I'm also trading on an exchange called BLOFIN, which does not require KYC. And also BLOFIN, if you use my link, will give you 15% cash back futures deposit bonus. So make sure to check that stuff out in the description. Also, if you're looking for a great trading community, the Casper Crew VIP Discord is the #1 trading community in the world, where every single day multiple instructors are giving you multiple live streams, giving you their plans, their setups, and all that good stuff. You can check it out. Links in the pinned comment and the description. That is it for the video, guys. May God bless everybody. In the name of Jesus, Yeshua the Messiah, even if you are not religious, I still pray you and your family are super blessed. And I'll see everybody in the next video. Peace!